Hi everyone, this is MB Kitchenette and welcome to my channel. MB Kitchenette, a place where you can find easy, healthy, home-cooked recipe. Today I will share to you how to make macaroni salad. I hope you learn and enjoy today's recipe. To begin, let's boil water in a saucepan. Add salt and olive oil on it. And when it starts to boil, add the macaroni. Take the instructions on the packaging on how long it is supposed to cook. Remove and wash in a cold running water. I guess this process is not new to you. Have 1 stalk of celery. Don't forget to wash it. Then cut into cubes and add it to the pasta. To all my followers, thank you for your continued supports and for always being there, supporting my video, and to those who are new here. I hope you learn and enjoy today's recipe and can able to subscribe at the end of the video. Your feedback helps us grow. Write in the comment your views. Add them to the macaroni. Have 1 piece of carrots and cut into cubes. To Nirmo Daimeri, Bargainholic, Farah Kitchen Secrets, and to Secrets of the Soil and Kitchen, thank you for your comment and for supporting my channel. To Patrick Goeb, Menzi Kunain, Sidi Hanaya, Sanata Hoiba Shekom, Priya Sada, Adeline Massaclat, and Samwin Elizabeth, thank you for all your supports. Cut a slice of red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and orange bell pepper. Bell peppers have different varieties and colors, and each color has its own distinctive taste. In my opinion, red is the best because of its natural sweetness. Bell peppers can be eaten as raw and cooked. The vitamins and nutrients they give is just the same. Now cut yellow bell pepper into cubes. Here in Germany, if you buy bell pepper, is usually pack into 3 with 3 different colors, although you can also buy individually. 3 in a pack is much cheaper than single colors. But where I grow, which is in the Philippines, we only have 2 colors of bell peppers, the green and red colors. These are really good to make our recipe more attractive, especially with the kids, because of its multicolors. Just continue cutting the bell pepper and cut into cubes, then add to the bowl of salad. Now have a piece of red onion and cut into cubes. Some people are very sensitive in cutting onion. They are crying or tears comes out whenever they cut onion. Here's a helpful tips for you. After removing the old skin of the onion, wash it first before cutting it. This process helps you prevent from crying. Just put them in the same bowl. Now let's make the dressings. We need 3 tablespoons of mayo, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, a pinch of salt, a pinch of fine pepper and a pinch of coarse pepper, a pinch of basil, a pinch of oregano, 1 teaspoon of parsley, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of mustard, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of lime juice, then mix well. Now pour into the bowl of salad and mix gently. We've got plenty of pasta to go around in our collection of different macaroni salad recipes. These dishes range from classic combos to fun new favorites, guaranteed to satisfy all the taste buds. A friend of mine served this pasta salad, and I just had to get the recipe. It's nice to serve on hot and humid days, which we frequently get during summer here in Germany. You should try it also. It's really one of a kind. Have a happy, healthy meal.